Hey everybody, it's Mike with Mustaches for Kids Omaha, and I've got another food challenge. Alright, today's food challenge comes from Josh Veach. Thank you, Josh. And Shield Roofing. If you're in the Pearland area, check him out for some roofing needs. And he has sent a mystery package. The return address says Black Death Candy Store. So I'm not sure what's in here, but that lets me know it's probably going to be a little bit painful. All right, but before I get to that, let me tell you about the charities that we're raising money for this year. We've got three major charities: Partnership for Kids, the Collective for Hope, and Nebraska Diaper Bank. And then we have four bonus charities, and those are Memories for Kids, Dancing Beyond Limits, Camp Quality, and Miss Amazing. Megan, which one of those would you like to learn a little bit more about today?
I'd like to learn about one of the three major partners, and we're going to go with Partnership for Kids.
Yeah, Partnership for Kids, in addition to having a pretty cool blank 4K acronym, M4K, P4K.
Clever.
In addition to having a great acronym, they help kids from pre-K all the way through post-secondary. They do mentoring and education and school support and career skills, all for kids in underserved areas and at absolutely no cost to the kids. So we're really happy to be supporting them. All right, let's get into this.
The kids and their families.
The kids and their families.
Right. Yeah.
All right, let's see what's in here.
So we met Josh a couple of years back because we needed to get a new roof, and he's just the best. He's such a nice guy, lives here in Texas, was one of the very first to make a donation this year. Great quality work, just good dude for sure.
Highly recommend.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's three little black balls. I don't know if they're hot or sour or what.
Intriguing. Are they hard or squishy?
They're a little gummy.
What does it smell like?
They're not hot. It doesn't have much of an odor. Well, it's sour.
Do you want a drink? Oh my. Can you chew it? Can you bite into it? Or is it like a hard candy?
It's too hard to bite. Oh yeah, it's definitely sour.
Gus, don't hit the camera.
Oh, there we go. Oh, the inside's sour too.
Nice.
The outside shell, I think, was the most sour part. When I cracked it open, there was like a little tiny bit of goo in the middle that was pretty sour. But that's pretty much faded now.
What flavor do?
Just a little sour.
Like apple, strawberry, watermelon. It doesn't have like a flavor?
It's just sour.
Just sour.
Would you like one?
Maybe. I like sour candy. Are you supposed to eat all three of that?
I will. Here, you can try this one. If you don't like it, spit it out and I'll have it.
Here.
All right, here we go. Let me know what you think.
Ha. No. No. Owie. You look like a chipmunk. You had one in each cheek.
It's almost worse than your teeth.
What?
It's worse than your teeth.
Yeah. Oh, but. Oh my gosh. And I don't think you can bite right into it right away. You have to let it dissolve a little bit before you can.
It's yeah, it's starting to fade now. It's definitely sour.
It is.
Whew.
Oh, you would not like it, guys.
Black Death candy. Whew. Well, I think the worst of it is over.
This is what he's having for breakfast, by the way. This is his breakfast. It made your eyes water a little bit. For
Uh-huh.
Sure. Yeah.
Made me salivate a lot. But, all right. Well, thank you, Josh. Whew, very sour. All right, anybody else who wants to see me do a food challenge, go to m4komaha.com. Donate $50 or more. Help some kids. I'll do a food challenge for you.
Help lots of kids.
Help lots of kids.
Yeah, lots of kids on many platforms. Thanks, everyone.